It's not ridiculous. I know my rights, and you know my rights. That's why you're not forcing me to give you anything.
What begins as a routine traffic stop quickly takes an unexpected turn. While one officer focuses on the driver, another shifts attention to the passenger, raising questions that have nothing to do with the original stop. Under the guise of procedure, demands are made that test legal boundaries and personal rights. This encounter highlights how easily a simple citation can turn into something much more questionable.
Ma'am, need your ID, please.
This is not a stop in ID state. I'm not giving y'all my ID. I have nothing to do with y'all stopping a driver for no tags.
Well, the thing is here, he is going to write him some citations. It's potentially going to go to court.
That has nothing to do with him going to court. It has nothing to do with me.
If you want to ID you and you're a potential witness that will be called to court.
I'm not going to be called to court over a tag on the car. That makes no sense. That makes no sense. I know my rights. I don't have to give you my ID.
Well, you need to.
Why do I have to give you my ID?
Because you're a potential witness on this.
Potential witness on what? I have nothing to do with him being stopped for driving.
You're in the vehicle right now.
I have nothing to do with it.
Would you like
I know
to
my
testify
rights.
for him
No, I would not. Nope.
No?
Nope.
Okay. You have a warrant?
Nope.
You must.
I just showed y'all my warning ticket from Champaign.
You didn't show me.
He's seen it. I don't have to show you. He's the one that made the stop.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, let me see the ticket then.
Sure, I'll give you the warning ticket. You can see it. Champaign warning ticket 524, Pelham Plotner 539 is his badge number. My address, Buick LaCrosse 2000, registration VIN number. Warning ticket for no valid registration because I didn't have that valid registration paper right there, but he ran it and it was valid.
Well, can I see it? Because I can't read it from you.
No, you cannot. He's seen it. It was in his physical hands.
You know, why are you being so uncooperative?
I'm not being uncooperative. You're not going to You're not going to stomp on my rights, sir.
We're not stomping on your
you
rights.
are no reason to run my name, and you're not going to. No, you don't.
Because you're potentially involved
I'm
in some
potentially sitting in the passenger seat, not driving. You stopped him for a driving charge, sir. Sir, I'm not going to argue with you about it. I have nothing to do with that.
Well, you do because you're in the vehicle.
It doesn't matter. It does. No, it does not.
It does.
No, it does not.
It does. Well, there's a reason for that, and that's always that.
I just showed you that they just run my name. They gave me a warning ticket.
Okay, well, if somebody else could have been driving.
I'm not giving you my. I'm not giving you my ID. I just showed you my ticket, my warning ticket. I'm not giving you my ID.
Okay.
I gave it to him.
That's ridiculous.
It's not ridiculous. I know my rights, and you know my rights. That's why you're not forcing me to give you anything.
Not yet.
You're not going to, neither. You won't, neither.
Potentially.
No, potentially you won't.
If you want ID,
I have nothing to do with a traffic stop. No, sir, I do not. I have nothing to do with a traffic stop. No, I don't. I don't even know why you're trying to argue with me about it.
Because there's usually a reason why somebody won't identify themselves.
Well, I mean, I know.
It's because, have you not had anyone, like, check you on your knowing people's actual rights? You've never had that happen? Do you not watch anything? Fourth Amendment. They
so you haven't seen that
so
stuff?
You haven't seen that kind of stuff?
We're not trying to be.
I'm not.
I certainly don't watch shows on police work. I do it for over 20 years.
Well, then you need to, sir. You need to watch because
so
you guys
really think
have.
The shows are correct. And...
All right.
Oh no, I know they are.
All right. Let me ask you this: do you think that there's like every single cop in America is perfectly okay and perfectly doing the job?
Dude, we're just like anybody else. There's good ones, bad ones.
There's some bad apples, right?
And there's nobody's perfect.
You are absolutely right.
So the
you are absolutely right.
So there's these guys, they make like YouTube and social media content, and basically they cop watch, you know, like where areas where they're having problems with the cops not acting right. And they just record, and then they learn their laws and their rights and realize, you know, the things that happens with police force, you know, police work they're used to. Like, you know, you want to identify her to like run her thing and see if she's got warrants.
That's all you want to do. That's why you want my ID. You want to see if I have warrants. You don't want me as a witness for him.
You just want to check it, right?
You just want to make sure I don't have warrants, and that's
your opinion. That's
the truth of the matter. That's the truth of the matter. You see how he walked away? Because he knows I'm right.
Well, I said I'm done.
This encounter shows how quickly a routine stop can shift when authority goes beyond its original purpose. When questions and demands stray from the reason for the stop, it becomes less about safety and more about testing limits. Staying calm, informed, and confident can prevent situations like this from escalating further. Moments like these highlight why knowing your rights matters and why standing firm can bring an interaction to a proper end.